After opening new Canva project, let's click on the background, go to color and change the background color. Go to elements and type flying paper graphics. Scroll down, let's choose this one. Rotate like this and go to edit and go to filters, see all. Scroll down to Duotune custom and change this color to black. Go to edit again, scroll down to shadows, see all, and choose curved. Let's increase a little bit the size. Duplicate and choose outline. Scroll down to color and change to white color. And let's adjust the size to fit the first one. And go to apps. Type shape cutout. Choose this app. Click export design. Let's increase a little bit the size. Export. And click on this black area. Cut out and add to design. And align it. And now let's bring our image. Let's use this one. Go to transparency and decrease a little bit to see exactly the position of your image. Let's place it like this. Go back to transparency, make it normal, and duplicate this image. Keep one copy here, click in this one, layer, send backward, and let's remove the background of this one and align it. And here's the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.